Hey, it's Tony, your Pop-Pop's Workshop. This is our 2023 year in review video. We're going to talk about the statistics, things that we did this year that I didn't believe we got done. Some of the great sponsors we've had this year who've sent products or sponsored us in one way in the shop, and why I can never finish a product. So let's take a look at a few of those things and get into first the stats. Okay, statistics, it's kind of the thing that I gauge how well our year went, and it was not too bad. Full form videos, we did 48 this year, not quite one a week, but closer than I thought to being one a week. Shorts, we put up 112, so really about 160 shorts and videos in 1 year on my small channel. One of the things I was really happy about is we have at this moment almost 300 subscribers. Most of those, over 200, came in 2023. So for those of you that have joined us, we are truly grateful. We really appreciate you taking the time to look at our little tiny channel. It's not as impressive as some of the big channels, but really, we're not here pushing ourselves out there. We're here to have fun, talk maybe a little bit about education, dealing with limitations, some of those things that may not interest everybody, but we're enjoying it, and hopefully you're enjoying it too. So those are some of the stats from our little channel this year. We just passed another milestone of 150,000 views. 150,000 views on our little channel in just a couple of years. So we're really grateful for that too. So thank you for all those views and likes and subscriptions. All right, so we talked about the statistics, but let's talk about some of the people that have joined us on our journey, that have given us product or promoted us. We're really grateful for those people. Let's talk about our sponsors. As I went down the list, I didn't really realize how many people helped us out this last year through not subscriptions, but through sponsorships. We had ones like Powerpro Hardware. They sent out a sample kit with different product in there that we could use. Couple cool little things. Still got the pencil. I'm going to be holding on to that for a while. Indestructible Shoes. They sent us out a pair of shoes to destroy. We did a video on that. Check that out if you get a chance. That was a lot of fun. I didn't think I'd had that much fun tearing a piece of shoe up, but it was great. We enjoyed that. So thanks to Indestructible Shoes. I still wear them to this day. In fact, we'll talk a little bit later about a new job I've got. I wear them on that job as well. Montana brand tools, they sent us out one of their deluxe woodworker kits. Man, this thing is amazing. I love this. So they sent that out to us so we could check that out. We're an affiliate for that as well. Look in the bio. We've got affiliate links with discounts that you can take advantage of. I highly recommend their products. Boeshield sent us out a little sample kit to try on some of the rust issues. We did a video this year on just kind of sampling it on an old rusty drill press table that we have. Man, that stuff works awesome. So you need some rust removal, some blade and bit cleaner, or some protectant. I highly recommend Boeshield, and I want to thank them for sponsoring us this year as well. We had Dewenwils. They sent us out our 50-foot hose or cord reel there so we could solve a little power problem we had in the corner and get power anywhere in the shop. We can also look, and we've got our lights running off of another thing. Dewenwils sent us the little remotes, little remote controlled outlets, which I've got right here on my vest. So how cool is that? And I can also do jump back. That's a quality of life in the shop improvement right there. I got to wander all the way over. I can be at the table saw. Oh, I forgot to turn on my thing. Nope, no more. Just push a button. I'm good to go. So with big thanks to Dewenwils for sending those things out for us to try out in the shop this year. RZ mask. If you're in the shop and you're not wearing a mask for protecting your lungs, guys, that's a mistake. Protect your lungs. I've got another one of these that I wear at my other job at Woodcraft. So sometimes we're there planing shorts and things that come in. I've got one of these there for protecting my lungs at work as well as here in the shop. So get yourself an RZ mask. We're an affiliate for them as well. If you want to check out the link there, you get a discount for those too. Big shout out to Freud Freud has really come through huge for us this year. They sent us some new blades for our table saw. Man, that thing cuts like butter. Butter. Router bits, tons of router bits. I really love their router bits. So get a chance, check out all the Freud products. They're a top-notch quality company, and they really listen and help you out when you need it. And one of the big ones, the most recent one we got that is going to be a game changer in the shop, and it's over here. I've got a couple little things yet to do. We're going to talk about why I can't get anything done in the shop, but Wizmaker sent us out their 20-watt laser. I've got to tighten the belts, adjust the belts a little bit, and then we are ready to start cutting things with light. So really looking forward to that. So those are some of the people that have really made a difference, and I was shocked. When I read this list, I had no idea that many people were interested in helping out a tiny little channel in Iowa, and some guy that, you know, his health wasn't the best. So I really, really am grateful for all our sponsors this year. You guys made a huge difference in our quality of life in the shop and feeling good about doing things in the shop. We really appreciate that. So thank you to all our sponsors. All right. This is the ugly one. This is the one that it's just, I have that problem where I have multiple projects sitting around the shop that close to being done, and I just can't get the time. In part, it's procrastination. Yes, other things get in the way. But I recently, over the last couple of months, started a job at the Woodcraft in Iowa City. I love the job. I get to go and talk to people about what they're doing in their shop, get to steal some ideas, borrow, not steal, borrow some ideas from what they're doing in their shop to make life in my shop a little bit easier. The downside is, I'm like a kid in a candy store, and I'm surrounded by things I really can't afford right now, but would really love to have here in the shop. So, you know, I guess you guys can relate. But one of the things that I've enjoyed there is just this last week I did one of the demos. Twice a month, the Woodcraft will have demos on different products. I did the Japanese handsaw demo this last Saturday. It was a blast talking to people about Japanese handsaws and demonstrating them. A lot of fun. So that makes the job fun. But because I'm there doing that to kind of pay the bills, you know, to supplement the shop, it means I don't have as much time in the shop. So I should have had the laser done by now. I should have had a little tool chest done by now. I don't want to go on. The list is long. So a few things that need to get done, need to get finished up. And my goal for 2024 is to do just that, to get focused, to stay on a project, get it done, and then move on. The laser is my top priority. I got to be honest with you guys. When I get that thing put together, finished all, get the software out here running, and start cutting some things with light. That's my priority. So that's one of the shortcomings I had this last year. Probably one of the reasons the channel growth was a little more sporadic than I hoped it would be, but still not displeased at all. So that's been our year. Hopefully your year's been better, and hopefully you have some things rearranged or some goals or some new focus for your shop in 2024. But we want to ask this question. How'd you do in your shop in 2023? Any obstacles you found? Hints, tips for us to stay on target, to stay focused? Let us know. Put them in the comments. Tell us what we can do to do better. Maybe where you fell down, that you found a way around something. And get me more focused. Get me less rambling like I'm doing right now. So hopefully you're having a great day. Thank you for watching the video. We really appreciate it. Thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you to our sponsors very much. Thank you for all that you've done for us. And we always want to thank you that you have come and watched this video. It really does mean a lot to us. So get out in your shop, stay focused, get things accomplished, and remember, you can do this.